Good afternoon, students. Welcome to your VPS e-learning computer class. Students, yesterday we have completed chapter number 2. Means in previous class we had completed chapter number 2. Now we will start, students, chapter number 3. Do you know? The name of chapter number 3 is computer network. Students, computer network, according to name, we will understand what is network. So first question is raised in front of us, what is network? So students, today we will understand network and networking both. First question is raised in front of us, what is network? Students, network is a group of computers that are connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. Is it clear? I am repeating again. A computer network is a group of computers or a set of computers that are connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. Is it clear? Now class, in other way we will understand a network is a communication system that allow us the transfer of data between different computer systems. Means we can communicate system and that given the facility to transfer the data between different computers, means one computer to another computer we can transfer our data or information. Is it clear? By a network. So next thing class, in other words, in other way we will understand network. A network is a series of computer systems that are linked or connected together so that they are able to share computing power or storage facilities. Do you know class? Easily we will understand network by which we can share our information or data from one computer to another computer. Is it clear? So here is written, I am repeating again, you will understand very quiet way. In other words, a computer network is a group of computer systems or series of computer systems that are linked, that are connected with each other. Means that are linked or connected together so that they are able to share computing power or storage facility. Is it clear? Like through this we will understand, like we want to connect our printer from one computer to another computer, we can use one printer to 100 computers. Is it clear? So next thing class, computer, through this example we will understand easily, computer network is very similar to telephone network where all the telephones are connected to each other. Means through this we will understand, I am repeating class, listen very carefully, computer network is very similar to telephone network where all the telephones are connected to each other and one can communicate with other telephone user. Is it clear? Through telephone we can connect it just like you are using mobile phones. Students, we can transfer our data, we can from one mobile phone to another mobile phone. Is it clear? So next thing class, next topic, networking. Do you know class what is networking? Networking is all about sharing data, software and peripheral devices like such as printer, modem, fax machine, internet connection, CD-ROM, hard disk and other storage equipments. Is it clear, students? Networking means by which we can connect our peripheral devices with many computers. Like we want to use single printer in our network. Suppose students 10 computers are connected to each other and we want to use single printer for all. So through a network, firstly we can connect our printer with 10 computers. You can give any print from any computer. Single printer is sufficient for your network. Is it clear? Like you want to use fax machine, you can connect your fax machine with 10 computers, means through a network you can connect. Same thing, you can use single hard disk, single CD-ROM. Is it clear? And then we can use from any computer, our printer or all types of peripheral devices. Any problem? Students, we can understand in Hindi. I am explaining दो या दो से अधिक जुड़े हुए कंप्यूटर क्लास means two or more than two computers or other digital devices are connected with a network is called network. And what is networking? These two or more than two computers or digital devices, those are connected. These arrangement or process is called networking. Is it clear? Network and networking. Network where computers are connected, or networking, these connected computers processing is called networking. Is it clear? And these computers are connected with wire or wireless, means without wire we can connect our computer. Is it clear? Means through wire we can connect our computers in a network, and without wire means wireless technology we will use for networking. Students, next topic is small network. Do you know what is a small network? A small network can be as simple as two computers are connected together or linked together. A small network can be as simple as two computers linked together or connected. Is it clear? Second, large network. Do you know class what is large network? A large network can link hundreds or thousands of computers and peripheral devices together in various configurations. Is it clear? Large network can be linked hundreds or thousands of computers and peripherals together in various configuration. Is it clear? Means a small network, two computers or few computers are connected. In large network, hundred, thousands computers can be connected. Through this picture, we can understand students network or networking. Here 8 computers are connected. Is it clear? So this picture we will understand 8 computers are connected with this network. Means and single printer we are using. Single printer we are using. Suppose students, we are using this computer at this time and we want to take print from this printer through this computer. Simply we can give the command for printing and printer can print this command of this computer easily. Is it? Suppose you are using this computer. Suppose in this time we are using this computer and we want to take print. We can give the command from this computer and printer can print the command of this. So easily through this picture we will understand what is networking. Is it clear, students? Same here, two types of networking we can use, with wire and without wire. Understood? Yes, today's class is over.